this raincoat. It's like see-through, so then you can still wear cute fits, and people can still see your cute fits. But like, oh mama. I don't care what anyone has to say. The hood has drawstrings, and the pockets are phenomenal. And that's all. That's it, that's all. But yeah, got out of bed at PetSmart, going and caught me a bird because I need one. I don't need one, but I really want one. So I'm gonna go do that, and it looks like there's a sign on the door saying something about a sale, and I see the number 50. Okay, so update. Okay, I'm glowing too much. Stop. I didn't get a bird because they're like, oh yeah, you should really have everything set up so it's less stressful for them, which I get, but like, I wanted a damn bird. So I bought stuff so it can be set up and he can have a home, I guess. Whatever. And also, did you know you have to be 18 to buy like a bird? I mean, that's fine. Like, I can still buy one, but she just was like, are you 18? I was like, yeah, like what? I'm literally putting together this whole damn cage, and honestly, I'm killing it. Like, I'm doing really well. He's gonna love it in here, my little buddy. The only thing I don't like is like this. Like, why is the food dish over here and the water dish way over there? What if he gets parched when he's eating? Like, he has to, you're gonna make him do this whole ass like hike and a half? I just feel like that's really far away. But they only clip in like these spots, so you can't decide if you want to put them somewhere else. Also, they do not seem that sturdy. I wouldn't trust that, just saying. Yo, my bird is gonna be flexing. I like jimmied this to be diagonal because I felt like when it was straight, it wasn't doing anything for me, you know? But this, wow. I'll give you his view of life. There's a diagonal stick followed by this quite intriguing popsicle stick toy. Let's see if I can get a better angle. Probably not, but that toy. And then this really fun toy with a stick the normal way. Yeah. Oh, he's gonna be living the good life. Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up? I'm back at motherfucking PetSmart. I look like a homeless person. My drugstore sweater. The sweater is so comfortable. I don't even care that I look homeless. It's so comfy. Let's go caught me a bird, bitch. Why does this eye look so much more open than this eye? Since when do I have a droopy eye? Like, y'all seeing this? Like, I know I'm on crack. No, this eye's definitely more open. I don't know. Don't come at me. Hi. You wanna come home with me? I think she does. Look, he's all by himself. These hobos are together, and all these hoes have each other. Look at them. Just chilling. He's all alone. He needs me. This chick's also by herself, but like, I think she likes being alone. Hi. Hi, handsome. My little baby's in here. Okay, gotta go. Jalapeno is being an asshole. Just because he can, really. Looks tired. Looks tired out. Refuses to leave my closet. But that's cool. You do you, bro. I'll just sit here with my ice cream. Do my homework. Hi, y'all. Oh my god. My skin is just like too hydrated. Just doing some light reading. Page 102. Good thing I just looked at my page number. Academic writing. An introduction. We don't even know half the words that they use in this book. But I'm reading it because that's what my English class says I have to read for Tuesday. I also had to read. Oh my god! 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 Bruh! 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 Are you done? What is your damage? Maybe he thought I was gonna hit him with the book? Well, now I'm scared to pick it up again. Just fucking flip it like this, I guess. Read the first chapter out of my interior design material and specifications textbook. Jalapeno is not having a good time. Literally no one was coming. No one was coming after you. He's there. Just chilling. Love that for me. Literally, I don't know what to, like, he actually hates me. I put him in his cage. He chilled there for a while. I bought, like, a seed stick. Tabasco loves seed sticks. I thought it would make him feel more at home. I opened the door to put the seed stick in, and he just flew out. What's up, dog? Are you saying hi? Did you say hi? Are you saying hi? No? Okay. Good boy, Jalapeno. Nope. He didn't like that. Just give him a minute. He just likes it.
Well, I don't want to give him a heart attack, so I'm not going to try anymore.
That's okay. I swear to God, my bird is a crackhead. Like, what are you doing? What are you doing? He's like standing on the top of a little popsicle.